Great advice for more affiliate marketing profits. Many people starting affiliate marketing often find that it is difficult finding enough traffic for their sites. If you're one of these people, then you're at the right place. This video covers many of those issues, and gives tips that can help streamline your sites, attracting more people and generating more money. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. A great way to keep tabs on what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong as an affiliate is to track every single click you receive. You will be able to find out which one of your campaigns are doing well and which campaigns you have to eliminate in order to keep things streamlined and efficient. Know the audience that you are trying to entice. Take into consideration why they are coming to your site and what they are interested in. Make sure that the affiliate products that your site is offering to them provide a solution to your visitors' problems. Keep with the theme of your site. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. As stated earlier, many people make these simple mistakes and yet don't even realize it. As long as you avoid them and follow this guide, you will be on your way to building and maintaining a better site, attracting more people, and ultimately making more money. Good luck! Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.